Hello guys, it's me again, Sugar Kawais na to. And now I'm here again to give you another chicken recipe. And our recipe for today is creamy garlic chicken, guys. Yay! Because I told you I'm a chicken lover, so I'm gonna try this. It's my first time to cook this, and I want to experiment and I want to explore and more learn how to cook all kind of chicken recipe. So let's start cooking and let's prepare our ingredients. So let's go. Guys, here are ingredients. Of course, our breast chicken. Of course, I really love breast chicken. And of course, our spinach, butter, chicken broth, or what you call is chicken soup, flour, garlic. You can use garlic paste or garlic cloves, and what's this? Onion, potato, paprika, milk, Parmesen cheese, and salt, pepper, and ajinomoto, and parsley, and of course olive oil and whipped cream. Okay, so let's start cooking. It's a lot of ingredients, but I don't know if you can do this, but I think this one is yummy, so I'm gonna try this and I want to learn this, so let's go. Okay guys, there's a lot of flavor, so we're gonna start cooking. First of all, we're gonna marinate our chicken breast. We're gonna marinate this. We're gonna just put this so you can see all the flavor that we're gonna add. Wait a minute, okay? We're gonna put our salt and pepper. Salt and pepper, guys. And paprika. Sweet, original paprika. You can see, guys. It's a meat for tacos, but I'm gonna use this for this because I like paprika and I think it's yummy. We're gonna try paprika, and then we're gonna do that again both sides. What a smell! Okay. Put that one. We're gonna add paprika again. I love challenge. It's a challenge for me because there's a lot of ingredients and I don't have anything, but this all I can get. Okay. And then we're gonna leave this for at least 30 minutes, guys. We're gonna marinate it for 30 minutes. Let's pop it up. We're gonna marinate it for 30 minutes. Okay. And we'll be back. Okay. While we're waiting, we're gonna prepare our ingredients. We're gonna put spinach. We're gonna use the spinach for extra flavor. I'm gonna wash it first. Wait a minute. Okay, let's start our spinach. I love spinach, guys. We're gonna use that. gonna bake this in our oven so it become hot and yummy. So I'm gonna bake this first. Yes, I'm gonna bake this potato. Potato is okay. So let's cook our spinach first while we're waiting for our chicken. Our spinach. So while we're waiting for our chicken, let's cook our spinach. We're gonna add some salt. Let's mix a bit of pepper. Okay, it's done. We're gonna save this later. We're gonna use this set aside and we're gonna use it later. Let's keep this, okay? We're gonna save it later. So guys, let's now cook our chicken. We're gonna fry the skin first. Okay? Smells good. I love the smell. We're gonna put olive oil. Okay, let's put our olive oil. And we're gonna cook the skin first. Can you hear the sound? And put your heat on a medium heat, okay? And you see? Okay. You just wait for until it becomes golden brown. Okay. I think 5 to 8 minutes is okay. So we'll be back. So guys, let's see. Oh, okay, it looks yummy. I think it's ready. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna cook our last piece. We still have last. And we'll be back. And now guys, the same pot. My god, my camera is moving. Okay, same pot, we're gonna put our sauce. So let's make sauce for creaming. And we're gonna put our oil tonight. Our onion. The onion. least 3 to 4 minutes. And now, our garlic. You can use garlic cloves or garlic paste. Oops. Garlic paste, okay? So I'm gonna put both to make more yummy. Oops. And I forgot to put, because I already keep my butter. I forgot to put the butter. Sorry. Oh my god. I forgot to put my butter. I'm gonna put 1 scoop butter. Butter, guys. I forgot to put my butter. Oh my god, what's happening? Because I already keep it in the refrigerator. Because this is a garlic creamy butter. Garlic creamy chicken butter. So we need butter, okay? And then we're gonna add flour. 2 tablespoons of flour. Smells like yummy. Smells like yummy, guys. And then we're gonna put our chicken broth or chicken soup. Okay. You can use instant chicken. You can make instant chicken. And we're gonna put just 1 glass of chicken. Okay. And we're gonna wait. Then we're gonna put our milk. Milk and whipped cream, okay. Okay, for more tasty. And our whipped cream. It's yummy. And we just wait. And we're gonna put our parsley for extra creamy, yummy. Okay. I don't have fresh, so I'm just using this. And of course, our Parmesan cheese. Okay. And let's just mix it well until it becomes thick. Okay. And let's put some pepper. Black pepper. Black pepper. Black pepper. Pepper that. For extra flavoring. And we're gonna put our potato. We're gonna put our potato. The one we big. And let's wait until brown. And we're gonna put our chicken. We're gonna put our chicken, guys. Creamy. see, guys. You like it? You like it? It's creamy and yummy. Let me taste. Wow! Oh my god! So yummy! And we're gonna put the extra oil, extra sauce of the chicken. Guys, it's yummy! Oh my god! Oh my god! It's yummy! Put the sauce with the chicken or extra flavor, but it's yummy. Oh my god, what a yummy food. And we're gonna wait until the sauce becomes thick, okay? Lots of flavor and ingredients, but I think this is worth it because it's yummy. Oh my god, it's so yummy! Look at that, guys! You can see. Oh my goodness. Okay, and we're gonna put more parsley. Okay. Oh my god. This looks perfect, guys. So let's say it become thick. So guys, can you see that? It's so looking yummy. It's almost done. And we're gonna bake this for at least 10 minutes so we can see. And we get more tasty. Yummy. So let's bake this. So guys, can you see? It's yummy. See guys. Ooh. Can you see that yummy? We're gonna bake this for 10 minutes, guys. Let's bake this. If you don't have oven, you just can eat this like this. It's ready to eat already, but I think if you bake this, more yummy and delicious. So let's bake this for at least 10 minutes. Here we're gonna bake this for at least 10 minutes. Let's bake. Let's put it in oven. Here guys, let's put in the oven and let's wait again. Guys, let's see. Wow guys, look at that. So yummy. And now ready to serve, guys. Oh my goodness. My alarm is okay, so it means this is cooked already. So let's prepare our rice. Guys, here's our creamy garlic butter chicken, and we're gonna put our orenso, our spinach, to make more beautiful and yummy. Guys, as you can see, putting all my ingredients. See. And that's the camera. My camera. See guys, you see that chicken? It's so yummy and creamy. Oh my god. You should try this, guys, and you will thank me for this because it's really yummy. Yummy. Look at that chicken. I really love chicken, guys. See. You like it, guys? I hope you enjoy my yummy. Oh my goodness. Oops. my chopstick. I hope you enjoy my yummy chicken today. See guys, you like it? You like it? It's so creamy and so yummy guys. I bake this for 10 minutes and it's really yummy. See guys? You like that one guys? So guys, if you like my creamy garlic butter chicken, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more video. Bye! Much love! So guys, let's taste and let's cut our yummy chicken. Oh my god! Oh my god! You see that juicy. And itadakimasu. Yummy girl. Good. So I hope you will try this. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more yummy cooking video. Bye. Much love.